So just speak to the importance of having like faculty members you can to and build a strong rapport with. I have a feeling we have the same person in mind. So talk about your relationship with my guy, Dr. Adolphus Belk.
Sure. Well, yeah, Dr. Belk is amongst one of the legendary, or I'm sure he would be tickled to be called an OG professor at Winthrop, and who has certainly impacted a lot of students that have matriculated through the university. And whether they had his courses or not, I'm sure that people are inspired by him. But Dr. Belk is one of many faculty members that really played a strong part in my life, and I'm just certainly appreciative to all of them. I oftentimes tell folks that my advisor, I know having a strong advisor is also really important, and my advisor was so important. A lot of the professional staff were really influential in my development as a leader, in my role as student government president and member of the board of trustees while there. So there are just so many people that I think played a pivotal role in my Winthrop experience, and I'm just certainly appreciative to all of them for being there and for caring about the students that they serve. You could certainly look at it as just a job, a 9 to 5. I go to work, I teach a class or a few classes, and I go back home. But I can certainly say that every professor that I had at Winthrop was somebody that was invested into the well-being and the success of their students.